Where are the fish? Oh, fish on. Oh, we're tight. Oh, it's a tank. Look at it running. Oh, get away from that log. Get away from that. Oh, let's go, boys and girls. Woo! What's up, guys? Pond Daddy coming at you with another video. As you already know, we're back at the normal Carson River.
Carson stream.
The river is so low, guys, but we've already caught one, as you'll see coming up. Hopefully we catch some monsters today, guys. We're joined by Big Daddy Bruce and the first time ever on the channel, Pond Pappa, Pond Daddy's Papa, my dad Jerry. So let's do some fishing, guys. Let's go.
Big 10-4. Look, there he goes. It's on the other side.
All right, let's get him. Dang, I haven't casted in like over a week. Just keep it reeling, Dad, because you will snag. Come on, guys, we need to fish off the water and on the bank. There's a soda can right there, too.
We're rather silhouetted right here too. They can see us.
The water's pretty clear. It wasn't really that clear before. It was pretty murky.
We're rather silhouetted right here too. They can see us.
Yeah. The water's pretty clear. It wasn't really that clear before. It was pretty murky. You can even see our line in this water. We should have run some fluorocarbon leaders. Yeah. Oh, fish on. Oh, we're tight. Oh, it's a tank. Look at it running. Oh, get away from that log. Get away from that. Oh, let's go, boys and girls. Woo! Let's go. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my God, it's a monster. PB, let's go. Oh my God. Look at the size of that freaking thing, Bruce. Guys, we got to get a thumbnail real quick. Stand by me, guys. Pond Daddy's new biggest bass. Holy crap.
There you go.
Look at that on the GoPro. We're gonna get a weight.
Hands.
Yeah, this thing is
They'll
fat.
spine you.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, these
They're
will get
down
you.
right now.
They'll get you. Call it 13, baby.
13.
My number, lucky number 13.
13-inch. We're gonna get it right back in the water though, guys. There she is. One last look at that beautiful fish. Say goodbye to it, guys.
Be free.
Woo-wee! I can't believe how heavy it felt when I caught him too. He just felt huge. I just knew it was big. My mind's still a little blown, bro. Alright, this is dangerous. See the things I do for you guys to get a good fish? Here's a dead crawdad too. That's good to know. He was right behind the rock. Like he followed it from around behind that rock. So cast behind the rock and then come around the side. Yeah. That's a big one. He's swimming straight towards you, dude. Do you see him? He's like right in front of me. He's a good 15 inches. Just downstream of that. He's swimming downstream now. He's straight in front of me now. He's bigger than my PB, or as big anyway.
Much smaller of the three that we've seen.
There was one jumping just right up there, so I know they're in that hole. There's a huge one in this hole though, but he doesn't seem to be interested in what we have. He ain't dumb. I'm hoping this audio is just working like a champ right now, man. If it is, hit that like. If you didn't hear that, then I'll probably edit this out.
What?
Exactly, I didn't hear nothing. So this is the exact hole that I caught a trout not too long ago. I casted straight across and it drifted down this current and I had a trout on the bass lure. Let's see if we can get that lucky again. It's pretty dark in this spot still, so I'm hoping that'll hide my line a little bit better. Okay, here's the drift. Fish! Fish! First cast! There you go, guys. Fish number 2 for Pond Daddy. The little guy, we're gonna let him go real fast here.
Boy.
These things fight too, they go. No! Oh, bring him in, bring him in! All right. My dad's first fish in like 20 years, guys. Just pop that sucker out and then show the camera that bad boy. Look at you go. There we go.
Good looking in the miniature version.
Do a nice smile with that one.
Cheese.
Say popcorn fart.
Popcorn fire.
All right, let's get a release on that thing.
And the old release, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice. Good job. Look, guys, my dad got on over wood. Fish on. Yeah, let's show the camp. We're getting little ones today, but we got one tank and then little ones after that. But fish are fish, right? Fish are friends, not food.
All right.
Show the camera that. Grab him, yep, grab him just like that. Squeeze pretty hard or he'll drop.
Funky looking fish. Good job.
Let's get him back in that water though because of he was out for a bit. He should just swim right away though. Oh, he just went the wrong way is all. Turn around, there you go. Guys, we got 2 big horses right upstream from us. I just a bit amazed actually. It's kind of an awesome thing. We're gonna try not to like spook them because we would prefer to keep them in the background here for y'all to enjoy. So do that, sit back and enjoy. Oh, rock. That is a wild animal, you guys. A wild animal. Hopefully the audio on this is just turning out great for you guys. Give me a thumbs up, hit that like if it is. Because, actually, you know what? This is a great time to just give a huge thank you to 2 amazing people. Rick Wilkins, thank you so much for this beautiful camera. Rachel Boynton, my lovely sister, thank you for the wireless mic setups. Hopefully you're seeing some amazing content right now. If not, we still have some adjustments to make, so don't you worry. I can't hear it and see it until I film it. So, nothing but better from here. So, stick around, guys. We're going to keep going here a little longer. I know. I'm just going to move a little.
He's got a fish.
Did he?
He said something. He said, "Ooh, fish." At least I think he did. Oh, he's recasting. Fish on.
You got a fish? Yeah. Oh shit! Oh no! Well, we got it on film, guys, but we also got a fish.
Oh.
You know that's making the clip. We're coming! Woo! Let's go.
Fish on.
Nice little guy. Look at that. Is that number 3 for you now?
Yeah.
Dang. It's a nice little area. We never could get to this area before. We never could. Untouched area right here. All right. Fish on.
Got a few scars on the gills. Does that seem fishy to you?
It is a little fishy.
Let's get it back in the wild. Caught again another day.
Hopefully by us.
We let him go forward this time so we don't swim the wrong way.
There you go. He was just thirsty, guys. No worries.
There he goes.
There he went.
Right out there, Bruce, between that rock and a hard place. Give it a shot, man.
You said fish, water.
Hell hard.
Drop my pole in the water.
It's all on video.
We got it all on video.
It's all on video.
Live.
Yeah.
That's right where there's a bunch of them. I seen a whole crap load going for it.
We're full of water, remember?
Yeah, right out there. That's where I got that. Yeah.
Oh, there's a ton of little ones. Yeah, let's hope they don't bite
Bruce
it.
has an advantage now.
Yeah, you do. Get out there.
You get out on that rock, probably.
Excuse me.
Ooh, that's a big one.
All right, let's try not to spook them. He took it. He took it. Oh, he didn't take it. He wanted it so much, but didn't take it. What's wrong with it?
You don't have any measurement. Oh, look at that.
Oh man, he's a big one. Oh yeah, he's about a 10-incher. He's in his mouth. He has a chunk of crawdad in his mouth.
Oh, he sure does.
Wow.
Deer. Jeez.
Good job, Dad. Pond Pappa with his PB. All right, let's get a good release on there and let him go. He's been through enough. Watch to your little past the bend.
10, 11.
We'll get a measurement of that and put it right here on the screen for you guys so you can see just how big it was.
All right, he's thirsty. Get him back in the water.
Yeah, he's probably thirsty, you're right.
Drink.
Oh, I already turned my microphone off for all that. We gotta try to get another fish. Oh, fish. Little guy. Little guy. Pond Daddy strikes again though. Another little tiny baby bass. There he is, folks. Just a little one. We're going right in with him though. No ifs, ands, or buts. Bye, buddy. Oh, fish! Well, you ain't getting off this time, buddy.
Good job.
I was a little far upstream, but I got it. Oh, there he goes. There we go. Another one. Just gonna let him go in the current. Got one. I'm fishing them by sight right now, bro. Oh, just skip them across the rocks. Ain't no big deal. You okay? No.
You good?
Yeah. You took my wind. I do it all for the bass. Yeah, I knocked the wind out of me and I hit my pain pump. And that's really a tender spot. Okay though. Got another one. Oh man.
Fish on, fish on.
Bruce got one, fire! Oh, it's a tank. Good job, Bruce. Finally got his own skunk off his own boat. All right, guys, Bruce finally got his bass for the day. That's a good one, too. Let's put it up on your arm. I think it's probably like 11, though.
Rinse him off.
Far from a record.
Rinse him off.
Every time Bruce wrenches him, he loses him. We'll use that as a way to measure later, and we'll put it on the screen for you guys. Less than a pound, though, we know that. To be caught again. All right, guys, thanks for watching another video from Pond Daddy. Thanks for watching. Thanks again, Pond Pappa, we'll call him, my dad. And of course, you know Big Daddy Bruce. We caught some monsters tonight. I got my PB, he got his PB. Bruce at least caught a fish, so double thumbs up. We actually caught a couple off camera as well, but we decided, well, the batteries decided we were done filming for the day. But we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Love ya.
Fish on.